All right, so we'll just run through IBM's charts here. IBM stock is down 13.58% today. Over the past 5 days, it's down 14.12%. Currently sitting at $222.24. Over the past month, it's down 24%. Over the past 6 months, it's down 7.18%. Year to date, it's down 24.97%. Over the past year, it's down 15.13%. Over the past 5 years, it's up 95.63%. But look at that chart. And on a maximum chart, since 1986, it's up 482.54%. But check this out. Let's look at some of their stats. IBM's got a PE ratio of 18.02, an EPS of $12.37, pays a dividend of 3.02%, a quarterly dividend of $1.68, has a 52-week low of $214.50, a 52-week high of $324.90. So it's getting pretty close to that 52-week low. IBM has over 270,000 employees. Yeah, that's IBM for you. A little quick look at their charts. We'll probably make a short out of that. I think IBM's an attractive company. So, Anthropic evidently is releasing a new code tool that's supposedly doing something. Let's see it. At 3:01, so about an hour ago, we got Vince Curry. Fuck. IBM stock gets hammered after Anthropic releases new code tool. Shares of tech giant IBM dropped 13.63%. Dropped sharply after AI firm Anthropic announced that its Claude code tool can now work with COBOL, which is a decades-old programming language that is widely used in large business systems because IBM has long specialized in maintaining and modernizing COBOL-based infrastructure. Investors worry that AI could reduce the need for those services. As a result, the announcement triggered a swift sell-off of the stock. Interestingly, COBOL, short for Common Business Oriented Language, dates back to the 1950s but still powers many critical systems today. For instance, it is heavily used in industries such as banking, retail, government, and transportation. In addition, COBOL is responsible for about 95% of ATM transactions in the United States alone. According to Anthropic, and hundreds of billions of lines of code According to Anthropic, and hundreds of billions of lines of the code remained active worldwide. Okay, I see. However, the number of programmers who understand the language has been shrinking for years, which has made maintaining these systems increasingly difficult and expensive. Nevertheless, Anthropic claims that its AI can change that by quickly analyzing and documenting complex legacy code, which is a task that previously required teams of specialists and months of work. The company says Claude can map relationships across thousands of lines, explain how systems function, and identify risks, potentially speeding up modernization projects dramatically as a result. Fears that AI could disrupt established technology businesses have increased. Is IBM a buy, sell, or a hold? Turning to Wall Street, analysts have a moderate buy consensus rating on IBM stock based on 12 buys, 5 holds, and 1 sell assigned in the past 3 months, as indicated by the graphic below. Furthermore, the average IBM price target of $337.53 a share implies 45.7% upside potential. There's a little graphic here for you. Basically just says that what I just read, their price targets. Alright, that's it for that. That's it for that article. IBM. Back on January 28th, 2026, they beat earnings by 5.3%. And they beat revenue by 2.45%. IBM sounds like a freaking banger to me. But, you know, it could go way lower. No doubt about it. It's at 2. I mean, it could go to fucking 0 for real. You never know. You really just never know.